I'm Christy Rost. As we gather with family and friends this fall and winter, today's recipe is designed to impress. Potato leek chowder with sherry is easy to prepare, tastes divine, and is unforgettable when served from a roasted pumpkin. I have 4 strips of applewood smoked bacon that I've cut into 1/4-inch pieces, and I've sauteed this over medium heat just to render the fat. Now I add in 3/4 cup of sweet onion, chopped pretty fine, and 2 large leeks, and again chopped pretty fine. And I'm going to saute these over about medium-low heat until the vegetables soften. Now this is a leek, like this, okay? It's related to both the garlic and onion families. And what you do is you're only going to use the white part, so cut off the root end and then cut off the green part near the top. Then you need to slice your leek in half and rinse in between each of the pieces of the leek really well, because they grow in sandy soil and that soil gets trapped in there. So you really need to rinse it well. So once this is sauteed and these leeks and onions have started to soften some, I'm going to pour in 4 cups of chicken broth or stock. This is homemade. I'm going to bring it to a boil and then put the lid on top, cook it for about 5 minutes. After bringing this to a boil and then simmering for 5 minutes, now I stir in 1½ cups of half and half and 4 Yukon Gold potatoes, medium size, about 1½ pounds, that I peeled and sliced into 1-inch cubes. And I just stir this in real gently. Then I add 1 teaspoon of kosher or sea salt and just a dash of white pepper, which will give it a nice little bite in the back of the throat. Stir this and cook until everything is hot. The potatoes are nice and hot, but don't bring it to a boil because it could curdle. During the final minutes of cooking, I add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of dry sherry. This is what transforms this chowder into an impressive and very elegant first course. To ensure serving this chowder is an unforgettable experience for my guests, I'm serving it from a roasted pumpkin. This is a 5½ pound pie pumpkin, or you may hear it called a sugar pumpkin. Earlier in the day, I cut a lid, scraped out the seeds and stringy pulp, and roasted it at 375 degrees for about 20 to 22 minutes. Then I set it aside. Just before serving the chowder, I popped it back in the oven for about another 5 minutes to warm it up. Then I transferred all the chowder inside, and here you go. So let's just garnish this a little bit of freshly grated nutmeg. Just use your microplane for that. And then chopped chives. These are from my garden. And I've got the smokiness of the applewood smoked bacon and the creaminess from the potatoes and the half and half. And this dish is designed to impress. Whether you serve potato leek chowder with sherry from a roasted pumpkin or straight from the soup pot, this elegant chowder will leave a lasting impression. Take care, make some joy.